ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan ra ashapi dak Orange Nissan Looms Hope Ho near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Kendailat Shillong, ka Three Olives Restaurant, bala Plie nakbentaban Sakhi api, hapo ka jingada jong ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, ringkat ka Cosmic Kingdom, ka Jakai lekai bapaw ha Shillong, bala yada na ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, bala le da ka Meva Enterprise.
Hadian bun benai ke jingdawa jong ki Sengbhalang ban pentrai kamno ya ka kherdop ban talasi ya ki brieu ki bawan nabar ke jela ya ka bala tipru kum ka facilitation center lane ke entry point ka badan ha Umling Ribhoi district khaddo khatwai ha ka arphoi tarik uno pra arajar arpho usumbut menteri rangba jong ka jela uba Prestone Tynsong ula Plie pai ba ya ka ni ka kherdop harengkat ka jing Sakhi lang jong ki Sengbhalang baper ke jela. Hagani ke entry point ke sarkar jala kala pentre kamru yamanta kum ke jaka le test covid khat khandai nakabanta ki breu ki ba wanrung shapo upur usam jong jala Meghalaya hagajing Plie yakani ke kherdop la Sakhi langru daki menteri jong ke sarkar jala ki ba kentup ya uba hamlet sandoling bat uba bantai dor lengdo kum juru ki MLA ki ba kentup ya MLA ka Umroi constituency uba George B lengdo MLA jong ke Jirang constituency uba Sostenes Sotun MLA jongka Umling constituency uba Jason Maulong ka Deputy Commissioner jongka Ribhoi district ka kong RM Korba Superintendent of Police jongka Ribhoi district uba N Lamare ki Head Officer na kitanat sarkar bat kiwe de. Nakaliang jongki kenhun Sengbhalang ki ba kentup ya ka Khasi Students Union ka Ribhoi Youth Federation ka Federation of Khasi Jaintia and Garo People bat ka New Trap National Youth Front kila airu ka jing khuble ya ka sarkar halor ka jing pen urlong ya ka ni ka jing dawa kumbala project ha ka jing penwandur ya ka ain Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act arajar khan rio.
This entry point or facilitation center to the extent where our friends coming in from different parts of our country as well as from outside the country, that the moment they landed here in this place, they feel homely and they feel safe. See why government wanted, the intention of why we wanted to set up integrated entry or facilitation center like this. It's because we wanted to make sure our friends coming in from outside the state are totally safe, and not only safe by registering themselves, because nowadays when we say registration, maybe people thought that, well, I have to go and then I have to spend my whole day in queuing up in the line. But now, as I said, the technology is already in place where the e-device is in place and people can do pre-registration, and those people who cannot, the moment they landed here, again we will make sure that the system is fast and then they don't have to wait for long. So therefore, I would like to request our friends coming from outside the state, please don't hesitate to visit the most beautiful state, the most beautiful states, I should say, in India, like Meghalaya. And the people of Meghalaya are so welcoming to all of them. And I would like to assure our friends coming from outside the state, feel homely, be here with us through your pre-registration or maybe on the spot registration. We are there to help you out. How many days you want to stay in Meghalaya? You are free, just indicate yourself, and then the destination that you wanted to maybe to visit different parts of the state, we are there to help you out. So that is the intention of the government. Kinong India, nga batong bagilong bian man look hakno no jela ko India. Hindi man kinga bay ka. Kamdon na ka constitution jong India ban og unong nang tinakal tao nga banu ko bigla. But kamdon lu ka constitution na India ban og ba unong metla nga banu na talaga. Hindi ba sutu bay. Hamdi ka ka bangila mo this model, I think it is the first model ever in India in different states. Haka bangingi kwa mo bangin don ya kanika facilitation center, ka entry point, bakin register, la kide ki tourist, la ne kide ki bawan don kam, la ne kide ki professionals, la kide ki student, la kide ki laborers, ki bakwan one place ni kwa ban register. Habis register kamu ban ong bagi hanglat bakin wan. Nengat kwa ban ong ki ni le ya kene nak minta ke jingbiang jongki. Maria kene ki pedin bol. Hakane ka an ke chungi ki pedin bol nadu ka dor basno. Hadu ke police station. But hadu ka district task force kamu bahet dari deputy commissioner. But ia borok. La don nila ling lang hakane ka sistem ka begini. Dia nak kata ong ki kamu ban ong bagi kwa ban khang ye noi no pagwan tenre habukiwan dakan ne kelenti ngam tu iki lagi sa si snem ne isa ru benai ne isa si snem ne lai snem ne ki bakuli ki sup don ban ong ban fus lai naman pi ngatai ki teng ki seng balang bapli dia le dia check ki kini kita kum kini ki lebo license ki kita nam ne sekma ngachi tu pa ki nam ne sekma ngin simplify ka but we'll make sure bagi bawah nahang ni hampo perjela jadi ni welcome ni tambah kita ban penbiang ya kikot Islam. Then next lagi orang pada ya ki banaba jong kari India lada dei illegal mo illegal kemudian lah balai. Then rei bawah lembah jong visa ki pasport jong ki penbiang nasional again ya kata ni sure register hamil tandas.
Nakaliang jongi sauseng nakaliang jongal sen SP dap ka keting dokumen ka bukraw ba bros katang ila annut nakaliang jongi sauseng matasin kala urlong pat nimhun nakaliang jongi sauseng tang ba nakaliang jong government ka Plie matakasni ndeng hapan pitmor sisu nang ne sakmat pat hakaju kapor ba nakaliang jongi kaseng adin ba nakaliang jong government kala Plie kene ka felicitation secret ba nyumong bangila klet mo ka LP ne ka LP hadu tam ne ngilang dawahi ban pendekam merdor ya ka LP hapo ka state ka jongi te bat nang ne sakmat nakaliang jongi ki sauseng ngin hap ban pekngor kumno kar kom check kumno kar kom mi kar kom rung jongki brief ki banabar bat ni criminal scam ba daga jing ya don lang jongi daga jing support lang jongi kanong ko bayad